Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of aerial combat is here, and it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about AI pilots, those brainy algorithms battling it out in the sky. Forget Maverick and Iceman. This is about algorithms duking it out at supersonic speeds. We used to think dogfights were a test of a pilot's skill, their nerves of steel and their ability to outmaneuver the enemy. Now we're throwing artificial intelligence into the mix, and it's shaking things up faster than you can say bogey at 2 o'clock. But this isn't just some far-fetched fantasy. It's happening right now. AI is already proving that it can outmaneuver even the best human pilots. This isn't just about faster reaction times, it's about strategy, precision, and a whole new way of thinking about air combat. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of AI pilots, exploring their shocking victories, the potential benefits and risks they bring, and what this all means for the future of aerial warfare. Get ready for a wild ride. Remember when Deep Blue beat chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov? Well, get ready for round 2, but this time it's in the sky. AI pilots are already racking up victories against seasoned human pilots and leaving them stunned.
In 2020, a simulated dogfight pitted an AI system developed by Heron Systems against a real F-16 pilot with years of experience under his belt. The result? The AI emerged victorious, outmaneuvering the human pilot in every engagement. It was a clean sweep for the machine.
Then there was the DARPA Alpha dogfight trials, where 8 different AI systems went head-to-head in a virtual dogfighting tournament. The winner, an AI developed by a team from Heron Systems, which went on to defeat a human pilot with a flawless 5-0 victory. These victories weren't just flukes, they were a clear demonstration of the rapidly advancing capabilities of AI in the realm of aerial combat. The machines are learning, adapting, and outperforming even our best pilots. It's both exhilarating and a little bit unnerving. Let's be real. AI pilots have some serious advantages. Their reaction times are lightning fast, they don't get tired or emotional, and they can process huge amounts of data in the blink of an eye. Plus, they don't need years of expensive training and experience like their human counterparts.
This means AI pilots could potentially react to threats more quickly, make more strategic decisions, and even reduce the risk to human life in combat situations. They could also be valuable assets in reconnaissance missions,